Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BVTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this one yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And once again, as I've said in the past, not really updates here, but once more, we're getting a whole lot of confirmation in regards to levels that I've talked about in the past. The key point of confirmation here regarding 002, which I've talked about as support, and surprise, surprise, once again, you can see that this is once again acting as support here. Now, in the event the price does not hold above 002, not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, because as I've talked about in the past, this is the beginning of a support quote-unquote zone, and the next key part of that zone is down there at 0016. Now, if the price breaks below 0016 and just keeps on creeping down, at that point, okay, the chart, really starts to kind of change its tune, but that hasn't happened. The price is doing a good job of holding up above 002. So from the big picture perspective, you still got to give, full credit to the bulls as it stands. Now, there is perspective that goes into that. If you're a day trader and you bought right there, or you bought right there, or you bought right there, and you wanted to sell within 11.2 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty rough. But I'm talking about things from the big picture perspective. And from the big picture perspective, let's say the price does head down to 0016, bounces around, and then heads back up. Even with that, from the big picture, you'd still have a big base of lows right here. Previous base of lows would be down there. You picture those as overall stair steps, and the stair steps are still heading in the upwards direction. So, again, I realize that could sound crazy to you. If it sounds crazy, my guess would be, well, you were just some sort of day trader that wanted a quick scalp. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, overall level continues to be up there at 0035. Near term one's going to be the purple line here, the 50-period simple moving average. That's just based on a foundational rule in charting. When levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance, and this level has been a level of support. But again, since the prices below it, that'll be the initial area of resistance that needs to be broken, and should be broken before anybody starts talking about, breaking through 0035 or doing battle with that up there. So all in all, bulls are still in control, and right now just simply a consolidation pattern. So we'll see which way things ultimately unfold. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.